Exploring the phrase, guests of honor, a guide to understanding and using it. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating English phrase that you might come across in social gatherings or formal events. We're talking about guests of honor. This term is not just a label, it carries significance and cultural nuances. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it correctly. Stay tuned to enrich your English vocabulary and understand this phrase's importance in different contexts. Guests of honor refers to individuals who are given special recognition or treatment at an event or a gathering. They are often the reason for the event, or they hold a position of respect due to their achievements, status, or their relationship to the hosts. In this section, we'll look at different scenarios where you might encounter this phrase, such as weddings, award ceremonies, or official functions, and understand the characteristics that make someone a guest of honor. Understanding the historical and cultural background of the phrase, guests of honor, can add depth to your English learning. This section will explore the origins of this term, how it has been used historically, and its variations across different cultures. We'll also touch on how the concept of honoring guests reflects in etiquette and social norms around the world. Here, we'll get practical. We'll craft sentences using guests of honor to help you understand how to incorporate it into your everyday English. This will include examples from formal invitations, speeches, and casual conversations, providing a comprehensive view of its usage in both formal and informal contexts. Even native speakers sometimes get confused about when and how to use certain phrases. This section will focus on the common pitfalls when using guests of honor and how to avoid them. We'll clarify misconceptions and provide tips to ensure you're using the phrase accurately and confidently. And that's a wrap on guests of honor. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and its usage in the English language. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances not just your vocabulary but also your cultural comprehension, making you a more effective and nuanced communicator. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.